guys, let's check out this smart lock that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's great because, well, first it comes with an instruction manual and it has 4 different ways to open it up. So you can see in here we have a fingertip reader, a code input numbers. If we take it like this, we can turn it around, use it with a key, or if we have the application on a cell phone, we can unlock it remotely, which I think that it's great. Okay, so you can see the unit comes with both the outside piece and the inside. Okay, which I think that it's nice. It uses 4 AA batteries. We got all the hardware that we're gonna need to do this installation process. Okay, as you can see, all the pieces that are gonna go up on the door and everything. And we get obviously the set of spare keys in case that it doesn't have power or any situation that we encounter. This set of keys is gonna be really helpful. Okay, and well, it seems like a pretty simple installation process. So let's go ahead and start installing it. I'm be downloading the application upon my cell phone so I can test it out that way. So let's go. As you can see, guys, the proper installation process is actually really simple. The instruction manual, it's clear with all the steps to follow on how to install it and how to pair it upon your cell phone, which I think that it's great. And it fits upon most doorknob locks without having to repunch it, and it can be installed just in minutes, which I think that it's great. It also uses 3 different locking modes. The normal mode will automatically lock after a set amount of time. You can set it up from 5 seconds up to 16 seconds. The passage mode will keep unlocked until you change the mode, or the privacy mode can be only accessed by the admin, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it uses 4 AA batteries, and depending of the frequency of how you use it, it can last up to 12 months. And if in case the batteries are running low, this doorknob has a low battery reminding function, which I think that it's really helpful. And it also comes equipped with a USB Type-C charge port for any kind of emergency that you have. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's nice because, as you can see, you can open it without pressing the code, using your fingertip, or all the different methods to use with the unlocking process, which I think that it's nice. As I've said, you can use it with your fingertip. As you can see, you can set a timer so when it will unlock automatically. As you can see right now, I'm still being able to unlock the door. I set it up for like 15 seconds, and once that time has passed, as you can see, you won't be able to open it up once again. Okay, which I think that is nice. You can also unlock it with a code. You first need to wake up, you press the code. It even has a anti-beeping method, so you can without worrying be pressing it. Okay, when I use it, you can see it opens up once again, which I think that it's nice. If any case it runs out of battery or anything like that, you can still being able to use the set of keys that comes included. Okay, you'll be able to unlock it without having to worry if it runs out of battery or anything, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, and we also have the application. As you can see, with this we can unlock it like this. It's unlocked. We can unlock it once again. You can see, we can see if it's unlocked. We can see all the register, the log of the times that it was opened. If anyone tried to enter it, you can use a temporary code if you want it for a limited time, just a one time, a dynamic, or a clearing. You can place them with a effective type and an expiration time from where it's gonna be functioning till when. And if you want it so it repeats weekly, you can turn it on, which I think that it's great. Usually you got the member management where you are going to add all the fingertips, as you can see, the codes if you need it. You can add more family members if you need it, and the smart scenes. Okay, you can select different scenes if you need it. Okay, which I think that it's great. All the different configurations, and well, as you can see, it was really easy to install it, and I think that it's great because it makes it well, a little bit trickier to enter where it's placed, which I think that it's great. That way, you know, when someone enters with log, which I think that it's really, really useful. And overall, because it's really, really easy to install, it works perfectly. I think that it's great, and I would really, really recommend it. See you guys.